Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel, the Travel Diary Lalabs edition. This is Rai with my husband travel buddy Alan. We're still here in Belgium, but today we will travel via train to the famous city of Bruges. But before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe. From Brussels, we traveled via train for more than an hour to Bruges. As we arrived, we immediately went to the market square, and we were amazed by the beauty of it. Bruges is the capital of West Flanders in northern Belgium. It's distinguished by its canals, cobbled streets, and medieval buildings. The medieval architecture in Bruges is mostly intact, making it one of the best preserved medieval towns in Europe. The historic center of Bruges has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2000. I am so excited that we immediately took videos and photos and forgot that we haven't eaten breakfast yet. So here we are, having the famous Belgian waffles for breakfast. After our breakfast, we went back in exploring this awesome market square, making sure to capture its beauty on both photos and videos. The market square is the central square of Bruges, West Flanders, Belgium. It is located in the city center and covers an area of about 1 hectare. On the south side of the square is one of the city's most famous landmarks, the 12th century belfry. The beating heart of Bruges has long been dominated by the belfry, 83 meters high and the city's most prominent building. Those who climb to the top of the belfry are rewarded with a breathtaking panorama. In the market square itself, marvel at the imposing provincial court and the many colorful step gobbles. The market square here in Bruges is the huge main square of the old town and has the magnificent Stadhouse as the centerpiece along with a row of beautiful colorful restaurants and several other historic structures, one of which houses a museum. It is also a convenient place to hire a horse and carriage or pedicab to take you on a city-wide tour. This square has attracted many people since the 10th century, and the first international annual fair was held around year 1200. The first hall was built around year 1220 as a place to sell merchants' goods. They were small wooden buildings on the south side of the square. In the period between years 1807 and 1810, the square was called the Place Napoleon, then the Grot Market. The renaming to Market took place in year 1936. The market was completely renovated in years 1995 to 1996. Parking spaces on the square were removed and the area became mostly traffic-free, thus being more celebration-friendly. The renovated square was reopened in 1996. The Belfry of Bruges is a medieval bell tower in the center of Bruges, Belgium, one of the city's most prominent symbols. The belfry formerly housed a treasury and the municipal archives and served as an observation post for spotting fires and other dangers. In the center of the square is a statue of Jan Breydel and Peter de Conix, fighters of the Battle of the Golden Spurs in year 1302. It was originally unveiled in July year 1887 in a local ceremony, followed by a formal opening that August by King Leopold II. The market square contains several historical structures, including the 12th century belfry on the south side of the square, and the provincial court. The latter was originally constructed as the water hall. In year 1787, it was demolished and replaced by a classicist building, which serves as the provincial court from year 1850. After a fire in year 1878, it was rebuilt in a neo-Gothic style 9 years later. As we explore around the area, I can't help but admire the beautiful building structures. You can also choose to ride on a horse-drawn carriage to explore the place, but we prefer to walk, for I find Bruges as a romantic and enjoyable place. There's more to see here in Bruges, and I will end my video here, but not yet the end of our travel adventures, so watch out for the continuation of this travel video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit on that notification bell for more updates. See you on my next travel video. Bye for now.